up, YouTube? It's your boy TJ.
It's your girl Crystal.
And we are back again with another banger. And today it's about to go down because today we got another Quando Rondo reaction. We're going to be reacting to Quando Rondo New Suppressor. Yiddy. And I'm ready to jump on in.
Let's go.
Like
Come on, Quando. Turn up.
I feel like Rondo with this 9 on my waist. I ain't talking basketball, straight gun smoking this.
We feel like Rondo with that 9 on his waist. He ain't talking basketball. Like Rondo number 9. Hold on, before my time. I think this is before he made it or some shit. This is like some old shit. Yeah.
Probably.
You hear how he sound?
I feel like Rondo with this 9 on my waist. I ain't talking basketball, straight gun smoking that steak. Stay on the call, man, the blast me slaying. I run down blood on the gate. Bitch, just that cash, the banana. I be shaking, jump out, trying to sack those things like I know dog. Black spark, hey, she like the way that I'm shining, yeah. Open my mouth and I'm blinding now. We really singing 90 press on the block. Nigga, get out of Obama, pussy, where I stop.
See, I'm looking at it as, imagine being like a big CEO, right? And somebody send you a demo of this. You know what I mean? Back in the day, nigga be like, who's this little nigga? Let's get him.
Saying 90 press on the block. Nigga, get out of Obama, pussy, where I stop. Then I know fucking run out, they try to shoot us in here. Shut them, know that ain't. Tell me who wants smoke inside this game. Good, okay. I just gave my young 30,000. 30 at a drunk, steady mob in the truck. Bush the murder, little something inside the car. That's like him, missing here. You see me go up in the mag, and one of my G's, my uncle upstairs. I be rocking some pig with the burger. Like since 13, but I love with a ring. I'm trying to figure out how can I catch him that vice when he come out with web. A piece in the trunk, 2,000 a bed. I'm thinking that we put the heat on the way. Some blood on the street, we throw in the last one. Turn on the beat, then I dance with the dad. I'm in the beast, so y'all better be careful. I'm on the T-shirts, did all that rap. I'm the cheap, then I stop on the pad. West to the east, nigga, now I'm get out. I'm only next to the break, I will laugh. I was in the hit, cause I run on my time. Niggas in the cold, don't trust a bitch, you get sad. My Cody and my
He said don't trust a bitch and get sad.
Yeah.
Let's go.
in the hit cause I run on my time. Niggas in the cold, don't trust a bitch, you get sad. My Cody and my crib color screaming, I just put out. This sign, got me in streets, rich black and friend where I saw that. Who not beneath me with a brick in a shell. I feel like Rondo with this 9 on my waist. I ain't talking basketball, straight gun smoking that steak. Stay on the call, man, the blast me slaying. I run down blood on the gate. Bitch, just that cash, the banana. I be shaking, jump out, trying to sack those things like I know dog. Black spark, hey, she like the way that I'm shining, yeah. Open my mouth and I'm blinding now. We really singing 90 press on the block. Nigga, get out of Obama, pussy, where I stop. Then I know fucking run out, they try to shoot us in here. Shut them, know that ain't. Tell me who wants smoke inside this door. Good, okay. I just gave my young 30,000. 30 at a drunk, steady mob in the truck. Bush the murder, little something inside the car. Just like fucking missing murder close.
That be hard. Ugh. Savannah must be real close to Baton Rouge. You don't think so? Some of their beats, like, kind of, it's like an intertwangle of New Orleans, like Louisiana type shit. See where this shit at?
I don't know, because I know they was rocking with Boosie super hard in Savannah back in the day.
Right. See how close them niggas is to each other, man. But right now, I gotta say this, y'all. Your boy, Quando Rondo, killed it even back when he was beginning. Because it's like some of his beginning shit. Because it said, welcome to Savannah, all this little shit. He looked young as hell in some of these pictures. Yo.
Yeah, no, not at all.
It ain't close?
Not at all.
Oh, shit.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
Oh, I thought, all the way over here. I'm talking about the okay.
Savannah's all the way over here. Savannah's closer to Jacksonville.
Oh, it's down towards that way?
Yeah.
I thought it was maybe at the other end.
Yeah, no, it's on the whole other end.
Okay, so Jacksonville, Louisiana.
Way over here.
You know what I mean? Louisiana.
Louisiana's close to Alabama. Like Mobile, Alabama, right there.
Alabama. Okay, no cap. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there it is.
Yeah, well, this shit is still solid 10.
A 10? I give it a 9.4.
I rank this shit solid 10.
It was hard for me to understand him on this one.
The vibe took it off.
His chorus
the beat
was good, though.
took it off.
Yeah.
The
Yeah,
bars.
it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
He rolled the beat.
Wasn't a
You know what I
10.
mean? The
No, I
bars
wasn't a 10
was
to me.
the bars is up there.
All right, well, that was our reaction to the video.
Go ahead and comment your reaction down below on what you get a video between 1 and 10. Put a fire emoji if it was hot. Trash emoji if it was not, but definitely comment down below. Also, if y'all want another Quando Rondo reaction, how many likes for this video?
78.
We get 78 likes, man. You got more Quando coming at your doorstep, but we need 78 likes.
Only way to do that is if you like, comment, subscribe, and share.
On social network. Anything else?
That's all I got.
We gone.